Hey guys, it's Erica and my sister has done it yet again. She has bought me a gift of plants for my birthday, which is coming up soon. It's actually on Earth Day. Fun fact, my birthday's on Earth Day. Okay, anyways, she did it again. She bought me a gift of plants. I have no clue what's inside, but she did tell me that there are 3 of them. I think she said there are 3. So we're gonna open it up, see what's inside, and I'm really excited because I've been wanting to open up plant packages. I literally bought some off of Etsy recently and those are gonna be coming in soon too. So there's gonna be another unboxing after this one, which I'm super excited about, but we're gonna open this baby up, see what's inside. This is the little box that came in and it's from Botanica's. This time she told me it's from Botanica's on Etsy, and I'm pretty sure that I have looked at their shop like a long time ago though on Etsy when I was just looking around, and they had some cool plants. I haven't looked at it recently, so I don't know what these could be. I did a little pre-opening because this part had the label, so it's pretty much already open. My heart is beating so fast. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Okay, there's some pine peanuts. Maybe I should look at this to see what they are first, or should I just take out the plants? Oh my gosh, this is too much. Maybe she only bought me 1 plant and I was just like like what she... Oh my gosh. Okay, look, this is what I guess this is the message that my sister sent with the gift, and we like shorten our words like that, so if it's our birthday we'll be like happy birth to you, we'll just say happy birth, and she wrote happy early birth. Oh my gosh, that's so... I just read what it was. I don't think it was 3 plants. I think I made that up in my head. I don't know, but I just read what the plant was. It's a cool one, guys. It's a cool one. Ah. Okay, it does go this way. It's in a little baby package. Oh my gosh. This is wrapped so beautifully too. Like, can we appreciate this? Have you seen the way I wrap my plants? Like, I thought the way I wrap my plants was nice and cute, but this is just absolutely beautiful. Ah. Okay, so let me show you. This is how it was wrapped. It was like a little bundle, and then it has some cotton at the top to keep the plant safe. I think that's a great idea. And it also has this like this is not a chopstick, maybe it's like a, I don't know what it is, but to keep the plant safe. Oh, you guys, I'm gonna remove the cotton to show you what it is. Look at it. It's a little baby. You can see there's a little bit of variegation on it. It is a variegated Monstera Albo standelyana. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it is so cute. It's a little baby. Oh my gosh. You know, last time when I filmed my unboxing video of like my sister giving me a gift, I didn't say thank you like to her in the video because I don't know why, but I didn't think she would watch it. Like, normally I don't think she watches my videos, and I like that is completely fine by me, because if like for a person who doesn't like plants, like these videos are garbage. Like they're so boring. Like, I could only imagine if you don't like plants, like these videos are not for you. So I never said thank you to her like in the video, but of course I thanked her like, you know, like on the phone or whatever. But I don't know why, but I feel like she is gonna watch the video, so thank you, Kes. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to figure out how to get this baby out. He's so cute, and I look. Ooh, he's wet. Look, he has a little root poking out. There's this little root, and it looks super healthy, so I am not worried about that anymore because I always think about the roots. The poor little roots. It is so cute. Oh. When I was shopping online for plants too, I don't know when she ordered this, but when I was shopping online for plants too, I was like, I want a Monstera, but I don't know which one, and this is a good one. This is a good one. I love it. Look at it. Oh, it's so adorable. Well, there it is, you guys. I'm gonna keep this note. That's so funny. Have early birth. Oh, I love it so much. And I also have a 10% off coupon now, so I'm probably gonna shop on there soon. But yep, he kind of looks like a peperomia, like a obovata, peperomia obovata. Sorry, obtusifolia. I'm thinking of Hoya. Obtusifolia, right? Peperomia obtusifolia. It's so cute. I love the little variegation flecks. It kind of looks like a Thai constellation. Like the variegation is speckled, kind of like a Thai constellation, right? Isn't this the cutest plant you've ever seen? Ah, and then I love when they come and they have a little leaf unfurling. Like, oh, I can't wait till it opens. That was just a quick little unboxing. I love my new plant. I'm gonna take such good care of him. Oh. I just realized that my microphone wasn't recording the whole time, so that's really upsetting. I'm so sorry about the sound. I know how horrible the audio quality is without the microphone. It's like throwback to when I first started making videos, but I hope you still found it watchable or could hear me even a little bit. I know it's really quiet. Oh, I'm so sorry. I don't know why I didn't double check. Well, at least it's plugged in now. So I have my little plant, and I just wanted to say, like, this thing was wrapped so beautifully. It's literally had zero soil fallout whatsoever. Like this packing is impeccable. Whoever packaged this plant, like, oh my gosh, hats off to you, because I really thought my packing was cute and like but compared to this, like, my packing is horrible. It still works, but it's not anywhere near as beautiful or pristine. Like, this packaging was pristine. You guys, I think I got 2 more plants in the mail today. I knew that my sister said that she was sending 3 plants. So she did say that. I don't know what was going on in my head. I just automatically assumed, like, oh, maybe I misheard that, but there's probably 2 more plants in here, and it was supposed to come yesterday, so that's probably why there was so much confusion. But I'm so excited. I was already happy with just that one plant, that standelyana, that beautiful plant. So we're gonna open this guy, see what's in here. It seems like it's like gift wrapped, kind of. There's like a box inside of a wrapper. So we're gonna open this up, see what's going on. Yeah, it's literally like wrapped like a gift. That's so cute. We're gonna open this baby up. I don't think I have my scissors on me, but oh, I see a variegated stem. I feel like my sister just looks up like variegated variegated plant. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I'm really struggling. I'm gonna try and take this out safely. Check it out. It is the variegated alocasia that I was looking at. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, look at it. This is so gorgeous. So my sister does watch my videos. Oh my gosh. That is so beautiful. There's so much like white on there. And this leaf is not looking too hot. So this leaf didn't make it. I need to plant this like right away. Oh my gosh, I have to look at the roots. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. That is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna look at the roots. I'm so scared right now. Especially because it was in the mail for like a day longer than it was supposed to be. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. These are the roots that we have. I think they're dead. But alocasias do have bulbs, so I'm expecting it will be okay. Okay, yeah, there's a healthy root on here. Oh my gosh, there's like one healthy root on here. I think these are dead. Oh yeah, because they're white still. Usually they're like brown, but they are smushy and they are breaking off easily. But this is so pretty. I need to keep it alive. It seems like she is ordered from 3 sellers, so we're gonna have to wait for the other plant to come in. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty though. I really hope I can save it. It does have one good root. I'm gonna show you the good root. It's very tiny, but it's this thing right here. It's one good root that I'm rooting for. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Okay, I need to pot this, so I'm gonna end the video here and we're gonna save this guy. I'm telling you, roots on a plant scare me. Oh my gosh, but it's so gorgeous. I'm getting more confident in my like ability to save plants that come to me with dead roots. So I'm very confident that this alocasia will be fine, and I'm gonna probably have a separate video of me potting it up because he really needs to be potted up like right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you to my little sister who sent me these plants. She's just so nice. And then I'll probably have another unboxing of the third plant. I don't know if I'll include it in this video, but we'll see what ends up happening. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!